Promise you, we will give you enough opportunity for your pictures. So if you could just let us carry on with the function and the audio. With the longest special effects duration you've ever seen before. Yeah, Vidhuji, question to you.
Hello. Yes. Special effects के वजह से it took us about 8 to 9 months for the post production. Minutes. What did Mani say? How many minutes?
Well, we have more.
Close to 75 minutes.
Yeah, would you like to have the mic there, please?
Can you tell us what are the special effects, something more about the special effects? Like special effects, would you like to highlight something on that point? And what is the total duration of the film? 75 minutes of special
Fireworks and green screen and all that. Besides that, recreation of entire scenes. Special effects in terms of creating different visuals for the... All in all, I mean, it's basically green work and CG work.
I'd like to add to that, the special effects have been entirely done in India with equipment that has been, I think Mr. Nitinji can elaborate on that.
The entire special effects has been done here only in house. Everything is done and it's made in India.
Can I ask Anand Mario, in what way is this film different from the other films?
You are talking about the horror film and we are talking about a supernatural film. Earlier the effects were done and today the effects, I mean there is a vast difference today for different cinema. They really love both. The audience likes it. If they don't like it, then we will not make this film again.
My next question is for Sanju Baba. Sanju, in recent times you have proved yourself in different kind of roles in actor as far as Rudraksh is concerned.
It was a challenge and it was painful also. Because 60% of the time we were hanging on harnesses, But yeah, it was a different experience. I mean, like what Nitin said, it's a supernatural thriller. And to correct you, if you think Lord of the Rings is Patal Baby, then sorry. No, we have tried to make something different, and I really enjoyed making that film. It's different to Munna Bhai and everything.
And my next question is for Suniel Shetty. On a humorous note, did the heroines in the film get...
So it's not about long hair or short hair, but an attempt to be proud to be associated. You're ready to face flag, but we're ready for that. But we are happy that we're together. This film gave us a chance to, become friends, start a company of our own. So it's...
Can you tell us something about your role in this film?
The modern day Raman, and it is Ramayana of today.
Karnak has got nothing to do with that was original life, this is a big.
Sanju, what is your role in this film, Rudraksh? What is your role in this film?
Modern day Ram.
I think we need more mics because the Jyoti Venkatesh refuses.
Sita is the process.
सुनील जी, क्या वजह कि आजकल आप निगेटिव रोल ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं? खेल में भी थे, यहाँ पे भी निगेटिव रोल है।
सर हुआ क्या, फिल्म में स्टार्ट हुई 8 और 10 महीने आए।
क्या बता सकेंगे रुद्राक्ष एग्जैक्टली इसमें फिल्म में क्या रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज़ द प्रेस रिलीज सेज a lot of people come to India from US to know what exactly Rudraksh is all about. Can you just how did you...
रुद्राक्ष का जो किसी भी हिंदू को पूछो तो वो कहेगा कि शिव जी का आंसू है एक्चुअली। शिव जी के आंसू को एंड हजारों साल बाद रावण का ये युग उसको ये रुद्राक्ष बनता है। नो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल रुद्राक्ष। इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर गुड और इविल।
Any further questions? Shall we go ahead with the evening?
पीछे कर बाबा 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 यार एक मिनट अंकल अंकल बाबा यार एक मिनट बाबा 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 ये बाबा ये
हाँ तो बोलो अरे बोला ना पेट खराब है यार जुल्फियानी साहब का आधे घंटे में